What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to be fixing another flooded yard by extending their downspouts out towards the street and in the back towards the creek. Now, let me show you what's going on. All right, here we go. This is the front of the house. We're going to be running the back right downspout and the front right downspout straight all the way out on the other side of this fence to a pop-up right before the actual drainage curb, because this is all concreted and everything in there. So we're going to run it out right here so that way it can build up, overflow, go straight into the storm drain there. And then over here on the left side of the house, as you can see, he's got the driveway, so I can't go straight to the street. So we're going to be taking this, the front left and the back left, we're going to take it straight back all the way to the wooded area behind his house. So let's get started. Here we go, and now we have the whole right side of the house dug. Here's the back right, going all the way down here to the front right, and this is going to go all the way out here. It's right above the storm drain. No, I cannot break into it as it's not legal where I'm at. So pop up right behind it, builds up, goes over, dumps right into it. Now over here on the left side of the house, we have this all dug out now, going straight right behind the gas line. This is going to tee into it, and then this is going to come all the way out here to the fence line, where we will also make it a little mini dry well, and then everything builds up, overflows, and goes all the way down there into the vast woods that are behind his house. So now time to pipe it all up. And always remember, when you're doing the pop-up, please make sure you drill 2 holes on the bottom of the 90, because those little pop-ups with the slits, they do not let enough water drain out. This is the best way to do it. So make sure you put your filter cloth down, put some rock in, then you hook everything up, fill it back up with a little bit more rock, fold it all over, put dirt over it. That is how you make your pop-ups. And here we go. We have the right side completely piped up all the way out to the street. As you can see, we are downhill to level. And then it's the same until I get past the other downspout. Then I got it going even more downhill to level, so that way as soon as all the water hits right here, it'll move a whole lot faster heading towards the street. And then as we got it going all the way down here, I have it even more drastically downhill to level. And the next piece is extremely downhill to level all the way to the pop-up emitter, which is burrito wrapped and has a mini dry well under it. So when the water can no longer facilitate up to run out onto the curb to go into the storm drain, then it can easily facilitate back into the ground. Now to do the left side. All right, and here's the left side of the house. We got this going all the way to the back. Right side's over there. Here we go. We are downhill to level again. Starting out. Everything goes the same. Teed in. Slightly more downhill to level over here. And then it's the same all the way down. Here we got it even more downhill to level, and then everything comes down here to the pop-up emitter. It's going to build up, overflow, and go out there to the woods. So now to backfill it all and show you how it works. And here we go. Here's the front right side. Got the water going in the furthest downspout in the back. Everything comes down, runs out, runs down into here. As you can see, it's going in the mini dry well. That's all got to fill up first. Then this is going to overflow, build up, come out, facilitate, and go straight into the storm drain. Oh, here we go. And now it is filled up the mini dry well. Now she's just slowly building up. And here we go. This is how it works. It builds up enough, overflows, comes out, goes right onto the storm drain and inside, and water be gone. Now to show how the left side works. And now for the left side of the house, got the hose in the very front downspout. Everything goes down. It's going to come down here. It's going to build up in this mini dry well. Everything's going to build up. And here comes the water now. Building up, building up. And then it's going to overflow and go down to the woods. And there we go. That's exactly what it's going to do. The water is going to come up, come out. Facilitate on the other side of the fence and go down the hill to the swamplands down below. And that is how you prevent your yard from flooding by running out your downspouts. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one. And here we go. I just got done testing the system on this side about 10 minutes ago, and it's completely empty. That is exactly why I drill the holes into the 90 so that way the water can dissipate back into the ground, and this helps prevent against freezing. For all the people that always ask, am I worried about it freezing? No, I'm not worried about it because I think ahead and make sure all the water can drain away. So that's how you run your downspouts out correctly.